Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to accept friend requests in Bleach Brave Souls. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up your Bleach Brave Souls game on your device, and after you do that, go ahead and tap on the sub menu button on the left hand corner. Now click on Friends. Inside your friends list, click on Accept and Reject at the top, and you will then be able to see all of your friend requests that you've received. Tap the Accept button to accept the friend request, whereas if you want to reject the request, you can tap on Reject. If you want the person to be added on your friend list, tap on Accept right next to their request and click OK. Repeat this step for every other request you'd like to accept. And with this, the people that you've accepted will be added in your friend list. You can now send Brave Battles support, exchange friend points, and team up more easily after accepting the request. So that's how you easily accept friend requests in Bleach Brave Souls game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.